Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we see a song up here. Now, to change songs, they just click on the upper left corner, and I have my menu of songs in different keys. We'll leave it here in C. And what I want to do now, before I play it, I want to listen to it and hear it and see. I've set up to 220 bits per minute. Let's go 200, and let's listen to it. Okay, so that's about the tempo I need to match, and that's how the song sounds. So I'm going to now press the play button. I have my instrument in my hand, and I'm going to see if I can follow it. I'm going to have a count in, you'll see, will show up on screen, and then I'll play. Now, we can set it up because we have continuous notes. Now, looking at this before we go forward, a few notes are red, which means they were a little sharp. Some notes are gray, didn't catch it. And the ones that are green are good. And if you see any blue notes, those notes are flat. Okay, so I want to show you something before we proceed. And that is in the settings. We're going to go scroll down here. We have some options. So we can breathe between runs. So this setting right here at the bottom, it will allow me to stop, take a breath. It'll count another time, and then we'll continue. There's a wait for me, so if I, in the middle, stop playing, it will stop measuring, and then I can catch back up. I realize, especially for a wind instrument, you need to take a breath once in a while. And I think all the other options here are self-explanatory. Okay, so let's go back and look at the stats for this. Let's see. For this particular song, it shows me, that's pretty good, plus 4 cents. Gives me the troublesome notes that have been running sharp by a little bit. And good notes. Oh, these same notes on all exercises and the notes here on this song. So, looks good. And then we have our badges, accuracy. So we're measured in so many ways. Now, one of the things we can do here while I'm here is I can press on that upper right corner. It has the PDF option, so I can actually send this as a report. I don't have to look at the screen here. So that's kind of cool. So that, in a nutshell, is a way to use the intonation trainer for your wind instrument.